415 is discount off the wall, coming hollow tip flows ricocheting, entering your ear. Mad raw is the status, past your skills in the attic, you're in fear, huh? So when that's on your chest, no cape, can't escape, caught up in the rhythm. No surviving when driving drunk. Universal from the pistol funk that sits on a stump in the backyard. All rhyme and flow here. Prepare for a slug to your chest. Bow, you break down, I'm hearing careless whispers. Keep ignoring, letting hollow to rip ya with philosophy. Hit split your dome piece, blood's flowing, naps flows, body bagging foes, you can't see me. Outreach what I be, reloading the pistol, see? Sniper, tactics, pure perfection at this. When I bust, never miss, on to the next. The funk pistol, I got a clip of full lyrics. What you gonna do when I pull out and let you have it? Bad boy in this profession, it seems murder lurks in the corner of my brain. At the same time, I'm giving pain to the same. Niggas try to study the movements, they wanna know what makes snaps tick. I got a full clip, there you have it. Now they lost in the paths that I enter. The yard niggas, 1600 block stays hot. Walk the boundary coming up short in the day. West LA, I'm shining where I'm at. In the dark, smiling where the niggas heart. Pistol funkin' focus. Red eyed is how you see me when you see me coming. Infrared aimed at the head. Brain dead, seek I stare standing over my prey. As I bust them dead relay. Face down, blood rushing from the dome. Pieces and bits blown from the mic cord is chrome. Destroying the funk pistol. No matter still, I got an extra steel pill caps with the drill. Blackout deck, yeah, it's the funk pistol.
Seek refuge from mad flows. Pure punishment to frames of foes, marked with bullet holes, killing scenes filled with mass bloodshed. Hectic hollow point styles corrupt, leaving poets dead. Injured niggas witness tragic scars of murder, with wounds to the chest. Moving targets suffer flows from my Magnum G. Impact heavy at point blank trajectory. Coming in, it's fatal, killing styles unknown, damaging domes, sending them to funeral homes. So folks better keep stepping, styles premeditated. Funk pistols, the murder weapon. Slugs ricochet, but still doing harm. Ain't through my sight, so I pull triggers on firearms. Fell in this waste, put victims under sheets. Crosshair, ripping bulletproof with Teflon techniques. Still we're pulling the trigger. Yeah, doing hits, deliver bodies to the river. Found by the coroner, but faces unknown. I emptied my clip, so that's 9 shots to your dome. Sniper and assaults, cripple, morphs full, trigger pull, death struck from weight of the funk pistol.
I come on board like a 9 sprayer. Eternal souls be stacking high like Himalayas. I'm the arsenal. Christ cerebral fiend blind. Dimension X, high conspiracy, killer tendency. Day by day if you front, blunts they turn to ashes quick. Fucking with a yard nigga, figure, ill like Rathama. My altar stay weak when suckers come upon apocalypse. Belligerent conduct of speech and documents to feast dead. Snipes like Wesley through the paradox. Ill block, knots, niggas on they dock. 1600 don't blow like a geyser. Wiser up and exerciser. Chaotic in my brain. Screws in my neck like Frank Stein. Walking through the ill land, choking off this blood of mine. Infected record. First ill brings to kill. Detonation leaves my fragmentation.